Magnific AI versus Krea. Which AI image enhancer wins? Choosing the right image enhancer can completely change how you elevate your visuals without compromising quality. Let's briefly explore both options. Magnific AI and Krea are both powerful image enhancers. The core difference lies in their approach to image processing. Magnific AI focuses on enhancing details and textures, while Krea emphasizes artistic styles and creative transformations. Magnific AI is a cutting-edge image enhancement tool designed to refine the details and textures of your images. It utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze and enhance images, resulting in sharper details and vibrant colors. Users can easily upload their images, and the AI processes them in real time, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. One of its strengths is its ability to enhance images without introducing artifacts, maintaining the original quality. However, users may find that it lacks some creative filters compared to other options. Ideal users of Magnific AI include photographers and graphic designers looking for precision in their image enhancements. Krea is an innovative AI image enhancer that specializes in transforming images into artistic creations. It offers a variety of styles and filters, allowing users to apply unique artistic effects to their images. Krea's interface is intuitive, making it easy for users to experiment with different styles and see real-time previews of their changes. Its strength lies in its creative flexibility, enabling users to produce visually stunning artwork from standard images. However, the trade-off is that it may not be as effective in preserving the original image quality compared to Magnific AI. Krea is ideal for artists and content creators seeking to add a creative flair to their visuals. When comparing Magnific AI and Krea, consider the intended use. If your goal is to enhance the clarity and detail of photographs, Magnific AI is the better choice, providing sharpness and vibrancy without losing quality. On the other hand, if you aim to transform your images into artistic pieces, Krea excels with its diverse range of creative filters. For example, a professional photographer might prefer Magnific AI for portfolio images, while a social media influencer may opt for Krea to create eye-catching posts. The trade-off is clear: precision versus creativity. For those focused on clarity and detail enhancement, Magnific AI is the recommended choice. If you're looking to unleash your creativity and transform your images artistically, Krea is the way to go. Each tool has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs and elevate your visuals today.